What's happening, party people? Man, I did make it into Albuquerque yesterday. You know, when you let a car sit for several months, sometimes it gets little flat spots on the tires. I thought that's what I had going on with Panther. On the road here, smoothed out a little bit, but didn't get smooth enough. So I went by Discount Tires to get my tires balanced, and they said that one tire was good. The other three tires were bad. Two were in the danger war zone. One was wore out. The one that was hopping, they said, something was going on with it. It had some bad wear. They didn't think it would smooth out by balancing it. So I got new tires at home, but man, that car's probably not going to see home for 20,000 miles. So I bit the bullet, got some new tires. Then they come and told me that one of my rims is chipped. I don't know why they didn't see that before they took the tires off, but now I got to deal with that. So it's holding there, but I have some in storage here, so I'm going to probably get those out and get those taken care of. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video clips. In this video, I replaced an exhaust because somebody stole a cat off of this 850 and was going to do a couple other things. We did do a fender. We was going to do a headliner, but it was too cold for the glue to properly glue the material to the board, so didn't get to do that. But hey, got a few things done. Walmart is selling an OBX exhaust. It's catless, but nonetheless it is an exhaust. If you need one, then you can get a cat installed in it, or if the sound is a little louder than you like, you could put a resonator on it. So that's what's on this video, and get to meet my new lady friend. So thanks for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day with Darren's Platinum 850. You guys may remember about 9 months ago I did a cylinder head on this. I didn't have time to do a fender, so I think I'm gonna do a fender on it and see if we can get the exhaust out of it on this ramp. Somebody took the cat, so we actually ordered an exhaust system from Walmart. It's an OBX exhaust system. So we're going to open up that box, lay these parts out, make sure we have everything we need, and get started. That's task number one. If we get done with that in a decent time, we're going to work on a couple other things. And today, I'm kicking off this Tinker year with my new supervisor with me. So hello, Mita. This is Mita.
Hello, everybody.
She has been tolerating my nonsense for a few months now and decided to come on a trip with me. So we're taking this short trip and we're going to get to work. Whoever took this cat, they must have been a professional. They left that O2 sensor and they left the O2 sensor in the back. They did lose a blade, but I guess they had another one. So I guess we could be thankful that they did leave the O2 sensors. Best to try to get these O2 sensors out with the downpipe attached. Almost impossible to get it out with that loose. So let me try to PB blaster these O2 sensors and get them out of here. This exhaust replacement is coming with a 3-inch downpipe. This is the downpipe you normally have, and this is the 3-inch downpipe. This is what I tell you guys. If you get a 3-inch downpipe, that really increases the flow off the turbo and helps your turbo perform a lot better. So it's a good idea to get a 3-inch downpipe. Look at that pipe goes in there. So going to a 3-inch downpipe. All right, we got this fender in. This fender's white, not platinum, but I think I know where a platinum fender is, so I'm gonna check on that, see if we can get that. This bracket for the exhaust down by the tailpipe was missing a bolt. So I pulled this bolt out of that triangle on the back of the subframe triangle. I'm gonna see if it works. If so, I think it's probably more important to hold the exhaust up, and then I'll get another bolt melted here so they could put it in this subframe. We got the downpipe in, 3-inch downpipe, and we're ready to put the heat shield on that. One of the heat shield bolts broke coming out. This was holding the bottom of the heat shield, so that bolt will be missing, but the rest of the heat shield will be intact. So I got the exhaust out. The exhaust is over there on the ground. I had to cut it close to the tailpipe to get it out because it was too long and I couldn't get the car up in the air high enough to get it out with the car on the ground. So let me put this bracket up here so I can hang the exhaust and put this bolt in here and keep going. That bolt out of this little member there was too small, so I'm gonna have to get I guess an M14 bolt. I don't know where those are located anywhere else on the vehicle, so I'm gonna tie it up with a wire hanger for now and get a bolt, try to come back tomorrow morning from the salvage yard. Back from the salvage yard, I realized that is bent, so I got another one out of a S70. And I got these because I gotta cut the rubber things to get that hooked up right. So let's work on that. Here is a bolt broke off on that clamp, so I gotta get one of those and we'll finish this up in the morning with a headliner job. Again, thanks for tuning in. My good friend and viewer, supporter, Santos, is hosting me while I'm here in Albuquerque, so that's a relief. Save some money there. We're gonna do a few things on his S70s, and I'm gonna head to the salvage yard today, pick up some parts for some people, and line up the stuff I gotta do to Panther, so that I could get some of the stuff out of that storage, replace that engine in Panther, and just, try to get some stuff done that I need to get cleared out of here, Albuquerque, and get Panther back running strong. Man, that car runs really good, even though the rings are worn. It cruises right along, gets good gas mileage, has good boost, but every time I shift, I get that big puff of smoke. From Vegas to here is probably 520 miles. It burned a half a quart of oil, which isn't bad. So anyway, thanks for tuning in and have a great day.